So next we're going to show you how to do a chicken breast, and it's just so easy to cook chicken breast, just like with the salmon and with the sausages and the bacon. Chicken breast is just so simple, and just like with salmon, you can season it however you want and it just cooks so quick. So for our latest day on learning how to use the Ninja Foodi 15-in-1, we are doing a chicken breast. I went on holiday to Florida last year, and I went to the Trader Joe's because I love Trader Joe's and I just wish it was here in the UK. And what I got is I got a few jars, and they were glass of the Green Goddess mixture. And the thing is, because they were glass, I didn't want to travel with them, so the kids kindly in our hotel room transferred a load of jars into a plastic container, and this is the same plastic container they came back to the UK in, and I'm just looking forward to using them in some recipes, and I thought this chicken breast would be brilliant for it. But any dried seasoning you want you can use. I'm just using this as an example for you. So what you need is a couple of chicken breasts, some salt and pepper, obviously your seasoning of choice. If you look, we've even marked on it what date it actually goes off on, so that we remember, because you haven't got the jars. And then a little bit of olive oil. So you want to start by drizzling on the chicken your olive oil. I'm just using the last bit I've got here in a bottle. That's the thing about cooking with kitchen gadgets. You would be amazed by how long one of these lasts. Even though everybody says extra virgin olive oil is quite expensive, considering how long I can last one of these bottles. And that's with me making all these videos for you and photographs and such like. If it was just for us at home, we would be able to make these last even longer. So once you've added that, you can add in your other seasonings. So we've got some rock salt, a good seasoning of the salt on there. Then add in some pepper. And then last but not least, let's get this Green Goddess out. Oh, I just love the colouring on it as well. It's so beautiful. And then once you've given it a good sprinkling, you want to turn it over. And then keep turning it so that you can get a lovely nice coating. And that's what I love. I love a shallow bowl or a dinner plate for actually mixing up my raw chicken, because it's great for getting a wonderful coating on it. And I mean, oh, look at that chicken. Doesn't that chicken look fantastic? So I'm just going to give my hands a really good wash because I've handled raw chicken, and then we can get it out and get it on. Oh, there it is. Dom always has a nice supply of them for me behind the camera because I can never find them. So I'm going to get this Green Goddess away because we don't need it now. And then what we're going to use is we're going to directly cook them in the air fryer basket. So pop them in. I'm going to need another hand wash in a second. And then take note that of how high up this chicken is. It's a really thick, large one. So when you do the internal temperature, always go with the thickest part, like on there. So for the time and temp, I'm going with the complete multi-cooker guide. It's also in, because I'm just using the air fryer setting here, our air fryer cooking guide as well. And basically, normal chicken breast, a medium-sized chicken breast takes 20 minutes, and it goes up in 5s. So I'm going to go with 25 minutes just because we've got a really big chicken breast there. So just think about that: small, medium, large. And by medium, I count a medium as a 7 ounce. I found it really interesting when we were researching for our first cooking guide to what small, medium and large is considered as, but 7 ounce is like the perfect medium. So these are a bit bigger. So we're going to go with 25 minutes at 180 on air fry. Right, so you want to turn on your Ninja Foodi. You want to get it to the air fryer setting, which is already on. And then you want to go down to 180 Celsius. That's 360 Fahrenheit, and we're going with a cook time of 25 minutes just because these chicken breasts are really large. If they are medium, go with 20 minutes, and if yours are small, go with 15 minutes, and then press start.
When you first got a multi-cooker, it's so hard understanding the times and temps and getting the food spot on and cooked perfectly. That's why we've made for you the multi-cooker cooking guide. It features all the main functions of the multi-cooker, from dehydrate to grill to steam roast to steam air fry, pressure cooking, and of course simple everyday air frying. It's perfect for lots of different types of multi-cookers, from Instant Pot users to Ninja Foodi users, Ninja Speedy, air fryer. Even if you've got a flex straw, it's just perfect for so many of them. You'll find the link below in the description and you can pre-order it now. And now let's get back to the video.
And we've beeped. So shall we check on this chicken breast? Oh wow, doesn't that chicken look amazing? Oh wow, look at that for chicken. Chicken breast air fryer style is absolutely incredible. And then that's number 2. Doesn't that look fantastic as well? So then we're done with the Ninja, so we're going to put it to one side and then we can slice it up and show you what it looks like. So let's chop into it, shall we? Oh, wow, look at that chicken. Doesn't it look fantastic? Oh, I'm in love. So this is the second chicken breast. Oh, I just love chicken breast when it's air fried. It's just so amazing. So there you have it. That is just how simple it is to cook chicken breast with a simple dry rub loaded on top of it, cooked on the air fry setting of the Foodie. And we'll be back again tomorrow with another one in our series. In the meantime, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you can follow it along and to pre-order our amazing multi-cooker time and temp guide. Thanks so much for watching our YouTube video. It feels so amazing that you've stuck around to the end. And of course, that must mean that you like our videos. So why not also follow us on social media? You can find us at the Kitchen Gadgets Club on Facebook and on Pinterest, TikTok. We're Kitchen Gadgets Club. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great videos like this one. And you can also find us at kitchengadgetsclub.com, where we have a membership that shares brand new kitchen gadget recipes every week. And we also have lots of great ideas, resources, tips and tricks. And we are an ovenless kitchen, so we teach you exclusively how to cook with kitchen gadgets. And a ciao for now.